What up guys, Shifty here, back at it again with another video. And before I open the box right here, I wanna give you guys a heads up. I've refurbished my review table per se. I hope you guys liked it. To all of those RAOKs, donations, and my Patreons, thank you so much for all of the support. I've tried to clean things up a bit, so I hope you guys like it. Check this out and hashtag Drifter Gang. And yeah, I have a Twitter for those who don't know, although I don't really use Twitter. But anyways, let's get on with the box today. I got an RAOK slash trade box right here, and it's kind of big, so we're gonna have to move back the camera right here and lift it up. Check this out. This one comes from Speedhunter. So there are some trades and RAOKs right here. I think some of you already skipped ahead to see what's inside the box, so let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and take a look at these cars right here. First, we have this 93 Jeep Wrangler number 9 right here, Jurassic World. Check this out. I watched the movie and I kinda enjoyed it. Maybe for those who are Jurassic fans, maybe it's not nostalgic for you. I enjoyed it, but yeah, you know, it's a good movie, I guess. So yeah, check this out, the Jeep Wrangler. But next we have a Lanciatos Atomica. No, I'm not kidding. He told me that he used the Atomica boxes to store the cars inside. So to be honest, I've actually took a peek at these cars, but let's go ahead and open this right up. The first one here is, whoa, check this out. Oh man, this is a, for those who don't know, a Datsun 620 custom, and wow. Oh man, this is definitely an improvement to for those who don't know, he also gave me another RAOK box a while ago. And check this out, this is a really sweet custom. I'm not sure where these wheels come from. I don't think they're Hot Wheels wheels, but whatever they are, this is really cool. You see guys, this is why I don't do custom, man. I'm a lazy person, and to put time and dedication to customs, I'm sure some of you guys are customizers. Oh man, this one looks sick. That's really cool. Next one right here is another mystery car. Let's go ahead and open this right up. So tissue, very nice packaging. Oh wow, bruh. Oh man, okay, so this is a Speed Machine Ferrari FXX, and only Speedhunter will understand why I'm kind of shocked right now, man. Bro, you are the MVP, man. So basically I was actually interested in buying this from him, but oh man, bro, props to you. He decided to give it to me as an RAOK, bro. Next time we meet, I owe you something big, man. Oh, thank you so much. Check this out, guys. Ferrari FXX needs a little bit of touch up and clean up, but I can do that. So that's really cool. Oh man, thank you so much. And let's go on with the video. You know, guys, when it comes to these unboxing videos, I really appreciate it. But we need to move on with the video because you know, I'm sure some of you are skipping ahead to see what the other cars are inside. Yeah, but believe me, guys, I really am sure. That's really awesome. Alright, so anyways, next car right here is the Hertzmobile 84 Hertzmobile from the Boulevard series. And funny enough, I used to have this car, but I sold it off. And funny enough, I got it back, sort of. But I don't think it's the same exact car. But check this out, for those who have not seen this casting before. Pretty cool. Not really a huge fan of these wheels, but Hertzmobile, that's alright. That's alright. The next one right here is a Dodge Neon. Yeah, it's a Dodge Neon in this Ziploc bag right here. Let's take a closer look. Ooh, check this out. Very nice green color, Dodge right there, and some simple decals. I think this is back in the 2000s around there, or 2003 and plus. So I guess this is an extra right here. Oh, here's real light tempos. Whoa, that's rare. Check this out, that's pretty cool. Next right here, another mystery car that's wrapped in nice 100% quality tissue. It's a oh man, oh no, oh, okay, so you see I trembled right there, I let go of the car. But yes, this is the Acura Nsx Speed Machine in the red and white version, and this is also another car that I was hoping I could get my hands on, but he decided to give it to me as an RAOK, and the reason for that is because I have this green one right here, his brother, you know, they're siblings, and it's cool that I can pair them up. Also, this one needs some touch up, that it's not in a really bad shape. I think just needs some layer paint, you know what I'm saying. So check this out, look at that, looks so nice together, green and red. Oh man, bro, thanks a lot, appreciate it. Next right here, I think some of you guys, I think in my thumbnail I probably put these two cars right here, and one of them is open. Guess which one is open? No, not that one, this one. It is Nissan Fairlady Zap Super Treasure Hunt. And when I saw the pufferfish have this in his collection, I was like, oh man, that's a really sick casting. I'm happy to say I also have this finally in my collection. It's a really sweet piece. Check this out. I can't really state what I traded for it, but it's just, I'm happy to say that we're both happy with our trade. And yeah, this is my first time trading a Super Treasure Hunt for Super Treasure Hunt, so check this out, guys. This is really sick. I know it looks really similar to the normal version, but with rubber tires and the slightly different Spectre Flame paint and maybe a TH logo right there. I guess the overall thought that, you know, this is a that this is a Super Treasure Hunt. It's pretty cool. Check this out. One more look at it. Alright, check that out. And the other one here is a 2005 Ford Mustang Super Treasure Hunt. And would you look at that? This is a 2017 factory sealed version. For those who are new to collecting, a factory sealed set is at the end of the year, Hot Wheels will sell off like this really huge box that's like $500 US, and yeah, it will contain like all of the years, including Super Treasure Hunts that were released for that particular year. So I guess the seller who originally owned the box decided to sell this off. So check this out. Should I open this up, guys? You know, you guys know I want to, but maybe not for now. I want to leave it in this factory sealed set, because once I open this will become valueless, you could say. So I know I always tell you guys, don't collect for the value, instead you should value what you collect. But just for now, come on guys, please forgive me. I just want to keep this carded for now. And look at that, it's really nice carded. Ooh, smaxy. And by the way, these two cards right here, there's just some extra cards that I found today. I thought maybe I can show them to you guys. A 2050 Ford Mustang in Borla White, and this Lamborghini Aventador homage or homage or homage. Homage. Check this out. I do have a Super Treasure Hunt version, as some of you already know, so I'm glad to have the normal version right here. And that concludes for today's RAOK unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy. Before I end off the video, I want to point out once again, refurbish the back right here. I've decided to include some of you guys who've given me RAOK back at the expo or when we've traded and whatnot, my Patreons. Don't worry, I really appreciate all of these RAOKs. And yeah, so just a little thing I can do is, you know, put your names right here. So be sure to check out some of these channels. Those with the YouTube icons have YouTube channels, those with the Instagram icons have Instagram channels, and those with the Patreons are my fellow Patreons of mine. So shameless plug. I know it's kind of weird for me to plug this in, but if you guys haven't checked out my Patreon, be sure to check it out in my description below, or check out my Instagram, Snubs, and Twitter right there. So just a small little update, just want to give you guys a heads up and whatnot. I hope you guys don't mind. So yeah, once again, here is my RAOK and Speedhunter, my man. I have your name right there. Thank you guys so much. I'll leave his Instagram link in the description below. Be sure to check out his Instagram, like his photos, spam his photos and likes, and say thank you to him on behalf of me. I greatly appreciate it. And there you have it, guys, for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys missed out my previous video, click on the top right, or if you guys want to check out another RAOK that Speedhunter gave me a while back, be sure to click the video on the bottom right. Don't forget to subscribe to both of my channels, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Hey.